Hello everyone, welcome to Tim's channel. And today in this short video, we are going to discuss how to fix ping issues in Call of Duty. Or if you are facing ping issue in any other game, even then you can follow these steps and this will fix your ping issues. So before starting video, if you are new in this channel, hit subscribe button and just watch complete video and follow every single step because this is very helpful tutorial if you are facing ping issues. So now open network connection settings and just follow these steps as I am showing you in this video. So after completing all these steps, just restart your PC and hope so this will fix your ping issue. So that's all for this video, and if you like this video then hit like button. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.